Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we'll discuss the most important questions of 1, 2, 5 and 10 marks for BA 3rd semester Political Science. I have created this video by combining the syllabus of many universities so it will be helpful for all of you in your exam preparation. So आप लोग पेन एंड पेपर लेके बैठ जाइए एंड नोट डाउन कीजिए आप लोगों का एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। First of all, I would like to discuss 1 marks questions. Question number 1, define public administration. Question number 2, who is known as the father of public administration? Question number 3, who is the father of scientific management? Question number 4, what is bureaucracy? Question number 5, what is good governance? Question number 6, who introduced the concept of post corp? Question number 7, what does NPM stand for? Question number 8, who proposed the ecological approach? Question number 9, what is neutrality in civil service? Question number 10, who is the main thinker of human relations theory? Now, I would like to discuss 2 marks questions. Mention any two differences between public and private administration. Question number 2, write two features of scientific management. Question number 3, mention two functions of public service commission. Question number 4, write any two principles of good governance. Question number 5, what are the two types of recruitment? Question number 6, write two features of bureaucracy. Question number 7, what are the two major dimensions of public administration? Question number 8, mention two features of new public management. Question number 9, what is the main objective of human relation theory? Question number 10, write any two reasons why public administration is important. Now, I would like to discuss 5 marks questions. Question number 1, discuss the importance of public administration in modern society. Question number 2, explain the main principles of administrative management by Henry Fayol. Question number 3, write a short note on Max Weber, ideal types of bureaucracy. Question number 4, discuss the role and functions of Public Service Commission in India. Question number 5, explain the features of new public administration. Question number 6, write a short note on Frederick's ecological approach. Question number 7, explain the meaning and importance of good governance. Question number 8, write a short note on human relation theory by Elton Mayo. Question number 9, differentiate between new public management and new public administration. Question number 10, write briefly about feminist perspective in public administration. Now, I would like to discuss about 10 marks questions. So you can see here, question number 1, define public administration and discuss its scope and significance. Question number 2, discuss the main features and importance of scientific management by F. W. Tyler. Question number 3, explain Max Weber's concept of bureaucracy and its relevance today. Question number 4, discuss the structure, rule and independence of Public Service Commission in India. Question number 5, evaluate the concepts of new public administration, new public management and good governance. Question number 6, explain the ecological approach of Fredericks and its significance. Question number 7, discuss the human relations theory of Elton Mayo. Question number 8, explain the importance of public administration in the present day context. Question number 9, write an essay on feminist perspective in public administration. Question number 10, discuss the evolution and development of public administration as a discipline. आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो आप लोग वीडियो को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।